Alright, so welcome everyone. I know that you must be shocked. Yes, it's me. It's not the big belly bartender. So I'm going to be here and I'm going to make a cocktail. From you see the ingredients, you're supposed to know what it is. I'm going to be making a strongback, Jamaican strongback. Now this is my version. If you have a version, you can do your version. This is how I make it. And I hope by the end of the video, you like it. Before I even get into the strongback, please like, share, subscribe. Please, remember. Alright, let's go. Alright, so instead of making a mocktail, we will be making a cocktail. Alright, so I'm going to add some rum inside. So I'm going to be using white rum. Alright, so let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to add some peanuts. Raw nuts to it. Alright, now some oats. Alright, so I added peanuts, raw peanuts, and oats. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it out a bit before I add the other ingredients. So hold on for my blender. Yes. Now, we have some more ingredients to add. So you can see, they're not really nice. Yes. Alright, so this is some sweetened milk. And add everything to it. Evaporated milk. Molasses, just a little bit because I add a lot of sweetener already. Just a little bit. Now rich in iron, vitamin B6 and 12. And the strongback. Alright, so, and the dragon. Put everything inside. Alright. And then we're gonna blend again. Hold on. Put on my cover. So remember, this is my version. Alright? To make sure that everything blends out properly. Alright, so just mixing it all properly. Now going to taste. So it's supposed to taste. Now remember I told you that I'm not making a regular strongback, actually making it into a cocktail. So I'm going to add white rum. If you want some more, you can. I'm okay with 1 ounce. Because the thing about it is, if you want to have it now, you add the ice. If you want to have it later, then you can just put it in the fridge. One more time, but not for long. Alright, so we're going to do be a little creative. And then we're going to pour. And there you have it. Jamaican strongback. Well, my version, of course. So I need to call somebody around to taste to see if I do a good job. I need an expert. You coming around Big Belly Bartender? Alright. Where's the dish?
Alright, we can smell the nutmeg. That first thing. Well, lip on top, so yeah. You can smell the peanut. You can smell the oats. It almost tastes like banana is in the drink. I know banana is not in it.
Remember, white rum is Indian, but white rum is very fruity.
True. And it have musty banana notes. So it's good, it's good. It's nice. Nice and refreshing. But take the rest of the blender yourself. When she did that make me there worry about say too sweet. So when I see she add the ice now, I say alright, yeah, that take a balance out the sweetness. Yeah, definitely can taste the molasses. Yeah man, it's a really good drink. I think this version is one of the best versions I had over the years. And I think you guys should try this version at home. And Talk Cocktails Jamaica on Instagram or Facebook. And if you like this version, I think you should comment below. Alright. Take it over.
Alright, so you see, we get approval by the big belly bartender. I remember we're not biased because we're Cocktail Jamaica, but I was just trying something. It worked out. And as he said, I hope that you like this version. And remember again, like, share, subscribe. Thank you until the next time.